I've done a little bit of affiliate marketing in the past, but not much. But I have to say that what I've come across with PR365 and Sean has been such a different experience for me in a really good way.
Big shout out to my coach and mentor, Sean Josiah, for bringing me to the point where I am today. He has a flawless, proven blueprint that worked exactly as promised.
The second day I bought the program, I started seeing results immediately, and I was like, whoa. Then I continue and I scale, and I'm seeing results up to this day.
So I must say, I've been enjoying this journey. This journey is changing my life and will be changing my life even more as I see it happening.
What's that? 712 in a month. Round of applause for James.
Sean has implemented a very good system that has effectively helped me to reduce some of the risk and help me to avoid some of the mistakes.
I'm actually a teacher and I really enjoy teaching. But with this program, I no longer have to worry if I'm financially trapped by anything to be in debt, because I'm not. I'm actually financially free.
If today, right, you are able to make $3,000 to $4,000 extra, right? How would that change your life?
Josiah has just been an amazing, mentor, and he has guided me so much and have benefited from his program.